begin here at 5 with the big moment. A 90-year-old woman in the United Kingdom becomes the first person ever to get the coronavirus vaccine.
And today, the FDA regulators voiced their confidence in Pfizer's vaccine as it makes its way to New York next week. CBS 2's Dana Tyler joins us with more on today's huge milestone. Dana?
It is. Christine Maurice, with the vaccine program underway in Britain, there's great anticipation here in the United States. The FDA's findings provide a big boost. Data from the Food and Drug Administration presented to the Vaccine Advisory Group today indicated the vaccine made by Pfizer and BioNTech worked well regardless of a volunteer's race, weight, or age. And more good news, it provided strong protection against COVID-19 within about 10 days of the first dose. Good news for 90-year-old grandmother Maggie Keenan in the United Kingdom. She's the first person on the globe to receive the vaccine.
And it's the best thing that's ever happened, so please go for it.
And in keeping with the historic nature of the day, second in line, so poetically correct, was William Shakespeare of Warwickshire. The UK's first 800,000 doses are going to the most vulnerable, hospital and nursing home workers and the elderly. A similar plan is in the works in the US. Once all safety and efficacy approvals are granted, 170,000 doses of the COVID-19 vaccine are expected in New York by December 15th. Nursing home residents and healthcare workers will be among the first to receive it. But during his coronavirus press briefing today, Mayor de Blasio compared the months ahead to fighting a war.
We've got to get through December and January into February. Listen, think of it this way. This is the last big battle before us, and then the vaccine will be able to do it to work.
There are still many hurdles ahead, including convincing a skeptical population that the vaccine is safe. New York City's Health and Hospitals Dr. Ted Long says gaining patient trust is critical.
As a primary care doctor, what I tell my patients is I wouldn't ask you to do anything I wouldn't be willing to do myself, so you can count on me receiving the vaccine after I've reviewed the evidence.
The U.S. has an order in for 100 million doses pending FDA approval. As for Maggie, after self-isolating for most of 2020, she's thankful the vaccine will allow her to see her family again in the new year. New Jersey is expected to receive 76,000 vaccine doses in its first shipment from Pfizer. Connecticut will have 16,000 doses by next Monday and another 16,000 the following week. Maurice and Christine, yes, his name really is William Shakespeare, 81 years old, and he was happy to get the vaccine today. Back to you.
All right, thanks for confirming. We were wondering that, Dana. Thanks so much.